Look at my hole. It's getting bigger.
It is. All right. Good morning, everyone, from Oakey Mountain Shelter. This is what it looks like since we couldn't show it last night. It was too dark when we got here. It's 50 degrees this morning with a slight chance of rain in a little bit, but then I think it's supposed to get sunny.
Yeah, we're like right below the big green blob. Hopefully it doesn't get us at all. So we have 15.3 miles today, 2,618 feet of ascent, and 3,031 feet of descent. It actually doesn't look too bad today. We're gonna go down. We're gonna go down to Terrapin Bridge, which, fun fact, I didn't know that Terrapin actually stood for turtle, or means turtle. And yeah, after that we have about a 4-mile climb, and then it's kind of gradual the rest of the day. So, you know, we're shooting for a 4:30 arrival today.
That's what we were shooting for yesterday. Clearly, we took too many breaks.
Not today.
Or we're too slow going up that big climb. Yesterday, we had some pretty steep climbs.
Yeah.
But we'll see. Me and Trip have a thing where we say, even if we go 20 miles or 7 miles, we still get to camp at the same time. Which means at dark. Anyway, not today, though. Ready?
Ready.
We're at our first water source. It's only about a 0.2 after our shelter, but the next water isn't for about 8 miles. So we're gonna fill up, drink a little bit before we leave, and then move on.
Not fall off a rock.
We got a bike path. It's 1:15 and the sun came out, finally. We just filled up on water. We're at the High Point Trailhead right now. We're about to cross the street. And I think we have about 5.5 miles left. So it's pretty early. Should get to camp tonight before dark. Excited about that. All right, we're gonna go on private property for the next 7.8 miles, which means we can only camp at the shelters and the campsites, which we were gonna do anyway.
And there's a Great Eastern Trail sign. The first time I've seen one of those.
Yeah, we've not seen one of those before.
Interesting. Woo. It's hot today.
All right, we just climbed up to the Davis shelter. It's a pretty nice shelter. It was up a very steep, like ATV road. Not super long, but it was pretty steep. There's like a little bit of trash up here. It looks like locals might hang out here some. There's like a grill and a tire and some beer cans, but overall it's nice. Here comes Trip. Here comes our good buddy Trip. Our good friend.
Best buddies.
Yeah, that's our bestie.
Come on down.
All right, we made it to the shelter and it's not dark out. It is 5:30. We just finished eating, or I just finished eating dinner. Kevin didn't have anything tonight. He's smoking a cigar. He had some crackers when we got here.
And some 2 cheeses.
That's not dinner to me. I ate a whole ass dinner.
Whoa.
Anyway, plus some tuna. So yeah, so overall, the day was good. We're happy we got here before it got dark. Some of the climbs were pretty steep in the morning. Nothing else really to report.
And towards the end of the day.
There was a couple steep ones, but it wasn't too bad. I say that now. No, I don't think it was. Anyways, this shelter's really nice. There's not a lot of tenting here. There's only like literally one tent spot. So we are there, but there's 2 creeks. So that's nice. Tomorrow we are heading into town.
And into Georgia.
Yeah, so we're gonna head into Georgia tomorrow and we're gonna cross into the Eastern time zone. So we're actually gonna lose an hour, which kind of sucks. Like if we leave here at 7, really we're leaving here at 8. So we have to leave here extra early. Cause yeah, we still have 16 miles. So do you have anything else? All right, see you guys tomorrow.